My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Mini Convertible. This vehicle has done just under 36,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen, we can get access to media and radio, communication, notifications, Mini Connected, and My Mini. Put the vehicle into reverse. See that it comes with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And using this button here, we can control vertical cruise. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.